Phew, I think I finally got it. I'm gonna go back over this real quick, just to make sure. So the first thing we did is materials purchase with accounts payable. There, those two go together. Okay. And then work in process, where we brought in direct materials. This is the total materials coming out of the materials account. Here's how much direct materials are used, how much indirect materials are used right here. Direct materials, indirect materials. These two numbers must add up to that one. Okay, then now we're doing direct labor. Okay, direct labor total coming out is 603,930, and indirect is 114,750 and 489,180. Then manufacturing overhead of other. Okay, and then that includes selling expenses of 216,950 and 128, and all of that is looked at here, right? So this other plus this selling plus this admin is the 486,660. Then we had prepaid expenses. Okay, prepaid expenses. One is 26,970. Okay, one is 22,870, and the other is 16,420. So we're going to see if all of those are adding up. 1, 2, 3, and yes, it matched. Okay, and then manufactured overhead is 26,970. Depreciation, because that's the factory, something in the factory, depreciation in the factory. There's that one. Then there is 2 office, which is admin. Okay, and then this offsets those 3. So this one, this one, this one. Okay, all right, and then we're applying overhead. They told us how much, so we credit manufacturing overhead and debit cost of good, debit work in process for the manufacturing applied. And then we're moving jobs out of WIP and into finished goods because they're complete. 773,970, 773,970. Then the cost of goods sold, 750,520, and it goes in the cost of goods sold right there. Okay, we're gonna do this blank sheet now. Okay, so we've got, let's go ahead and okay, we'll go ahead and I'm going to stack everything. So here we are with our jobs. Okay, and I'm going to go back to coursework. So this is number 5. So you do, we'll do 5 together with the same numbers. Then you'll do 6 just like it with different numbers. And then we have 1 algorithm problem. So let's go ahead, and this is going to be number 5. So we'll just put our jobs. Okay, so let's, and then we're going to need T accounts. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and, okay, so here is jobs. Okay, and then 301, 302, 303, 304. And then, okay, so this is the materials. Okay, so and then we have a 306. Yep. Okay, so these are dollars. We want to make sure we label those. Okay, and then we have labor. Okay, so this is direct labor, materials. Okay. Okay, then we have general use. All right, so there's what we have. Okay, factory labor. So materials purchased on account. That's how much. So it says journalize the entries to record the summarized operations. Record each item as an individual entry on December 31st. Record G as 2 entries. So G right here. Okay, so we've got to accumulate the total for each of these. Okay, so let's see what we get. Okay, just a minute. For some reason, I'll be back.